Hi, it's Rob Jacobs from O'Gorman Partners. Welcome to 3 of 12 Earl Street in Mosman. If you're looking for a fully renovated, oversized 3-bedroom townhouse, level walk to Mosman Junction and Bridgepoint, we highly recommend you come and inspect. So there you have it, and as you'll agree, this has got to be one of the best renovated townhouses that we've seen for a long time. James, Anthony and myself look forward to seeing you at our next open.